Alright guys, this is a Mercedes SLK that I came to jumpstart the other day. And then the customer asked me if I can fit some sort of accessory by this company here, Mods4Cars, and this little accessory down here, it's a little box, right? And it allows you to like control the roof and all of that stuff with the key.
This unit now enables it to one touch, and also while I'm moving a little bit, so if I'm getting stuck at traffic lights or something,
you don't have to stop completely.
I don't have to wait and hold all the traffic up. I can go away slowly.
Nice. Anything on the key?
Couldn't do it on the key. No. This is just meant to be the key. Press it 3 times on the open, and it should open the top.
Yeah.
Press it 3 times on the lock, and it should shut again. While you're sitting in a cafe having a cup of coffee, it starts to rain. Press it 3 times and it closes.
So yeah, cracked. I said, alright, no problem. If I can't do it, who's gonna do it? Yeah. As I pulled on the connector, this bloody connector here snapped off. Look, completely just broke off. I don't really know how the hell I managed. Can't even. I amazed myself. Yeah. So yeah, after doing that, I realized that yeah, I'm in a bit of trouble. So I had to get Mercedes on the case to find the connector. I didn't think Mercedes at first. I thought Breakers Yard, but yeah, the Breakers Yard guys are useless, mate. Wankers, can't even lie. They can't be bothered to help because it's too small. And one guy that said he would, even though he didn't, quoted me £10. And yeah, when I managed to get it from Mercedes, I only paid £5 something. So Mercedes to the rescue. Let me see if I can actually fix this. Alright, without getting myself into any sort of extra aggro, should I say? This is aggro already. So I've got 2 pins and the connector. There's a connector there. Exactly the same as that one by the looks of it. Happy days, does it fit? It looks like it's gonna fit. Okay, here's the pins. Now I've got this mini crimp tool, and as I've only got 2 pins, I should have ordered more. I've only got 1 shot, but I think this is the right tool for the job. So you do that. Yeah. Right. And then you put the wire in. Can't afford any mistakes here, mate. Can't afford any mistakes. I would have liked that. Well, right, all the way in. I think I am. God be with me. Got one wire that didn't make it in. Oh, not perfect, because I ideally wanted to catch all of the insulation like that one. I only caught a tiny bit of it, but good for a first try. Let's get the other one on. A little bit less at a time. Where's my pin? There she is. Oi! It's kind of like it's staggered. It's a bit staggered because I'm looking at it here and it doesn't look flat. Like, yeah, it's slightly different, man. That's why I missed on one side, I guess. Alright, clickety click, clickety clack. That's probably a little bit too much wire, but I'm gonna grab it anyway. Nope, it's pretty good. Okay, where's my connector? Now, if you look, all the red wires are at the top and the black wires at the bottom, yeah? Except this bastard. Let's see what this one's gonna be like. Better than be black wire at the top. You're annoying. Do you have a colour? No. Alright, so all the uncolored wires are at the bottom. Alright, so move the connector like so. I'll put my red, open this up, it's open already. I'm thinking it's gonna wanna be going in like that. Felt good. Felt good. Felt good. It's fixed. Oh yes. This is a bit short though. I think that was the problem why it broke as well. It to be under a lot of pressure. Now, next thing is, I don't remember. Well, I don't think it makes a difference, to be honest. It makes some kind of difference, but remember, it doesn't have to go in any specific order because they're all just connected on one big buzz bar at the back. Yeah. Alright, so let me get the instructions out so I can try and figure out how this thing will code up and get my phone. Well, that was quite good though, worked out well. I'm happy with that. Sure it's not where it's finished. Got a few tabs left. No, it's finished. Yo guys, thanks for the support though. I'm loving it. Thanks a lot. Posted a video about a misfire. You guys love a misfire, innit? 24Ks and 24K in one day. I need to figure a way to get this sort of footage to last more than a minute and a half and get the same views. You guys should let me know in the comments though. Help me build this channel to where it needs to be. Okay.
Hi.
Hey Barry.
I'm just coming down.
Alright, cool.
One hour later.
What's it supposed to do then?
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
What's it supposed to do on the key?
I think if you lock it
Mm-hmm.
and then you press 3 times on the unlock,
Mm-hmm.
the lid's meant to open.
Okay. No.
Nothing happened. And I think maybe all the doors and windows could be shut first. But this suggests that the unit is half open, because this only goes down when the lid folds up.
Okay.
Down.
Where is it again on this thing? Oh, I can never remember. Where's your roof control on this thing? There it is.
You shouldn't have to hold it to go up or down. Right, it's just started it. When it's shut, no, it's not. You should be able to touch it once now and it should work. So if you want to put it up, that seems to be working.
Is that how it's supposed to be?
Sorry?
Is that a feature?
Yeah, so that's a new feature on this unit. It's meant to close with one touch.
Okay. So before you had to hold it?
Yeah, and it's also meant to open with one touch. And it's not, is it?
I don't know. Yeah.
or just one touch.
So that wasn't working before.
Well, it was, you had to hold it all the time, and this unit is meant to make it open on one touch and close on one touch. And it's not, it's starting obviously, but not.
Alright, so guys, this works. This little thing actually works.
It happened while the car's moving, open and shut, up to I think about 50 kilometers an hour, 30 miles an hour.
And before it was what?
It didn't do it at all. It won't. This unit, and also while I'm moving a little bit, so if I'm getting stuck at traffic lights or something,
you don't have to stop completely.
I don't have. Well, I don't have.
Guys, I wanted to post this video because it might be helpful to someone with one of these R171 Mercedes SLKs. It was a bit of a pain to do, to be honest, but if I had to do it again, it would be a lot more straightforward. If you're doing this job, just be careful not to break the connector. The first one that I broke immediately. And then when it comes to figuring out how this thing works, it was working right from the beginning when I plugged it in and got the flashing lights to work correctly. It will only work, the green light and the fail light will only work correctly on one of those pins, and when you piggyback it, that's it. So all the others, you will get the fail flashing, and then only one will give you the correct sequence. That's the idea. So it's not in any specific order, it could be anywhere around, but you just need to get the correct flashing sequence, so then you know you're working. After that, for the roof, it's just like one quick press to make it work automatically, and one quick pull to make it work automatically, and then steady pressing of the keys. I'm still getting practice with the GoPro angles and stuff, so I feel like this footage is pretty terrible, but hopefully this video is going to help out one of you guys. If this video is helpful, just drop a like on it or leave a note saying, "Guy, Shannon, you know what, the video helped, appreciate it." I would appreciate that as well, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, love, and hope to see you in the next video where the video quality gets a lot better.